Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over what we need to be doing after we've published our ads. This includes monitoring and how to make changes to our ads, which is going to include changing our budget, changing the actual ad itself, and changing our audience and demographic. Before I get started, make sure to join our free Facebook group, Fit Pro Lead Gen with Dave, and also to leave a comment and a like on this video and subscribe to the channel as well. The first thing to do when viewing your ads is to head over to the overview section, and from here we can gain information on every ad performance and compare data that you found. Using the boxes above the graphs, you can change the value of the data given in the graphs from cost per view to cost per conversion to even just impressions and conversions. After we've gained enough information, we can head over to the campaign screen to make our changes. This is where we can change the budget of our campaign. And it is really easy. It's just as simple as clicking on the little pencil icon that's next to the budget. Like I said in the previous videos I've uploaded as well, the budget is shared around the campaign. So it's not just a budget for each ad group. The campaign receives the budget, and the campaign then splits it to each ad group. Like I said, if you have multiple ads in a campaign, the £20, for example, you're going to put as a budget will be shared around the different ads in that campaign. Let's say you wanted to change the ad itself. Maybe you want to move from an old offer onto a new offer. Maybe it's from summer to a more of an autumn themed offer. We do that by heading into the ad by clicking on it again on the little pencil icon and hitting edit. And changing the video is as simple as getting the link for the new video. Remember, it has to be uploaded to YouTube. YouTube uses it as like a storage space for you to pick and choose your videos. You can grab them, put them back onto the ad. And again, it is as simple as copying that link from that video into the box. And that's it. New ad, and depending on if you want to change the information elsewhere, such as the title or the landing page, that can all be done on that screen as well, and there are little obvious sections where you can just go in and edit it. Just be sure to hit save when you're done. The next step in effectively managing your ad is adapting and changing your demographics and audience. Starting off with your demographics, we can see in the demographics screen which target demographic we are bringing in the most of, or what is bringing in the most views or the most leads. We can also see who's the most expensive leads as well. Is it over 20s? Are they the most expensive? Or is it over 40s? Are they the most expensive lead? And we can change our data based upon what we see. If you want to remove a target demographic, then simply hit the circle to the left of the age, gender of whichever one you want to change, and hit remove signal. The same process again for adding another demographic as well. Literally just clicking that button and hitting add a signal, or turning the light green. Moving on to audiences, now we can target our viewers directly by using keyword planners. This means we can use phrases that fall into certain users' preferences or interests. We can also target their behaviors as well while we're at it. Audiences are split into two sections. Section 1 being people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, and the second being people who searched for any of these terms on Google. The first is going to target viewers with specific interests such as fitness, nutrition, that sort of thing, so you have a broad idea. The second one then we can use to target users who search for specific topics such as how do I grow my fitness business, how do I gain more clients. Our ads will be shown to those only who search for these topics. The second one, the people who search for any of these terms on Google, is good for bringing in higher quality leads because you know they're searching for that type of video or for that type of service or product. Okay, and that's this week's training video done. Just a quick one about how to manage your ads. Any questions, please send them over to us. We're happy to answer anything, or leave a comment on this video, or you can message us directly if you're not comfortable with the public knowing what kind of questions you're asking. But before I leave, remember to like and comment, and also subscribe to the channel and join our free Facebook group as well, Fit Pro Lead Gen with Dave. But that's all for me this week. Tune in next week, we will have another training video ready for you as well. But that's all from me. Cheers.